Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make text move around in CapCut PC. In order to do this, you first have to launch your CapCut PC application and then you just have to tap on this import button. After that, you need to select any of the videos on top of that you want to put your text and on top of which you want to move your text. After that, you just have to drag that video into this timeline. Now you will have to hover over to the top and you will have to click on text. Now over here you need to click on this plus icon and you will have to add that text into this track. After that, you just have to align it with the image. Then you just have to double click on this text. Then you just have to write anything in this text. So let's say I want to write hello. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit and here you will be able to see the option of position and size. So over here you will have to click on this keyframe right next to it. After that, you will notice that there is a keyframe in the beginning of this text. After that, you just have to adjust it and then you just have to place this text, let's say over here. Then I want to place it over here. So as you can see over here that I have added the keyframe on this text. So now let's see the result. If I play it, as you can see over here that my text is moving around. So with the help of position and size, you can add keyframe into it and you can make your text move. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.